Yep.
There's definitely pretty decent rotation there. Here.
Yeah. It's beautiful. I don't think we got to go too much further east. We don't got no storms to worry about clipping us here. We just, only thing we're doing now is fucking us up, getting out ahead.
As long as we're far enough east that we don't get bored and
I feel like that's turning into a funnel, bro. Almost. Looks like it's spinning.
I wouldn't call it yet, but it's definitely rotating.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there it goes. You can tell I'm a newbie. I still got the nerves where I still like think everything's a tornado.
I'm a newbie too. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Oh yep, it's coming down in the middle a little bit. I like how this.
There it is. There's a foam cloud.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
It looks like, is that rain behind it? Yep, there we go.
There it is. There it is. It's going down.
This is so exciting, bro. We worked hard for this, bro. Let's see some debris.
Such good position.
Oh, I want to see some debris.
Coming down.
Uh-oh. Something's blowing it.
There it goes.
Yep, I think it's going. Dang. It's playing with us. I like the southeasterly. Oh, there goes that left-right motion's ramping up. I think we might have to get east in a second, maybe. It's coming right at us. Oh, there it goes.
We got time.
Oh, there it goes. I think it's on the ground, or it's close. That time it got super close. This is worth it just that. Oh, it's gonna do it again this time.
It's trying so hard.
And I got this all on a time lapse. Like it is. Yeah, it definitely roped out. Alright, wanna go east? Not yet? Okay.